In this tutorial, I will show you how to run an inventory valuation list that could be used at month end, or really any time that you need to know your inventory on hand. To do that, we're going to go to Financial Management, Inventory, Reports, Inventory Valuation. There are a number of fields here that you can use with your filters. This will automatically default to the last report that you ran. So here, the last one that I ran, I did an inventory valuation for all of Wood RM. So it automatically defaults. If I don't want that default in there, I can highlight and delete. And even these field categories where I'm going to look something up, I can change those as well. Your defaults might be a little different than mine. I can run a report based off of an item number, and you can use your navigation tutorial to use the various navigation tools, the sort tools. So I could run this part number through that part number, or if I only want to look at a couple part numbers, I can do that in this filter here. Your inventory posting group really doesn't make sense. You probably wouldn't use any filter there. Costing method, you wouldn't use a filter there. Location filter, if you wanted to look up the value of an inventory for an entire location, you could do that. Your variant filter may not use that. Product group code, again, this is like the commodity code in Pro. And so let's say you are Star and Jennifer or Jackie and you want to look up all your inventory on hand for market product. You would simply type in MP right there and then preview your report. You can change these fields simply by clicking on the field, and then you have a whole list of items, and basically anything that is in the item master card you can use to sort and do a field filter on to get a report. So go ahead and scroll through this list if there's something specific that you're looking for, and go ahead and add it to the report. But for my example, we're just going to be looking at the location filter of janitorial. We're going to go to our Options tab. The as of date does need to be completed. This might be blank if this is the first time you've used this. If you want it as of today, you can simply hit a T and tab off of it for today. You can enter an actual date in there if that works for you better. If you're running this on an item and it's in multiple locations, you may want to use this checkbox for breakdown by location. If our report is ready, I can print it or preview it. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm just going to preview it. You can see it's generating our report here. If by chance it was completed and it showed nothing, it would have this report generated completed, and the screen would probably still be gray. To scroll through the report, we have our VCR buttons. This one, go to first page, this scrolls page to page, and this takes you to the last page of your report. And then also from here, I can still print my report. So as you can see here, I have a few items in inventory. I have my quantities, my unit cost, and my inventory values, and then my total inventory value of $481. If you know you have an item that is a valid inventory item, if you have not had any inventory transactions, it will not show up on this report. So please keep that in mind as well.